Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new chef-based refrigerators. So guys, this is going to be a 4-drawer. Brand on this item is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. It is an all stainless steel unit, very good quality. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the overall measurements for this chef-based unit. Starting with the length, we're looking at an overall of 72 inches of the length. Okay, for the depth, we're looking at a total of 32 inches, 32. And the height, we're looking at 26 inches of the height for this unit. The unit does have casters already installed, makes it easier for use. Also on the front, we have our controller. Okay, this is your temperature controller where you can set your temperature, and temperature will also show once the unit is on and running. We also have a switch here in the front. Okay, as I mentioned, it is 4 drawers. They are all refrigerated, and you can just easily slide open, slide shut. You have a total of 4 for this unit. Okay, lastly, I want to go ahead and show you the back of this unit. And on the back is where we will be able to locate our plug. It is a standard US plug for this chef base. Also on the back, we have a sticker with all that will show you specs for this item. It will also show you the circuit diagram, and it will also show you the certifications. Okay, this chef base is certified by the health department, so you can locate all that info on that back sticker. Okay guys, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this 4-drawer chef base refrigerator. If you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this exact unit. Now, if you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.